From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's mid-morning update. TGIF, everybody. The name of this video is called the S&P and the Friday Blues. The high of the day in the S&P came at 1977.5 earlier. The low came in at 1968.30 recently. At last, we're 1970.5. We're down 10.2 handles. Total volume, we have 750,000 minis traded, with 160,000 of that coming from Globex, and we have 1.2 thousand big S&Ps traded in the pit. I got a question. Where did everybody go? Now look, I really didn't have this one. I heard a lot of people saying that they thought today could be a down day, but I thought with the momentum that we had been seeing, it would carry right into Friday and right into Monday. Now that doesn't mean that we haven't seen our low for the day. We just printed down to 68.30 and we pop back up, and I got a feeling I'm seeing some buying balances that maybe the worst is over, at least for the first part of the day. Now look, the markets have to do what they're doing. After you get so many like up days, and I know we had that up a day, down a day stuff, but the net of that was that the net changes on the upside were far greater than the net changes on the downside. That created all that back and filling, and that created that big push. But since then, we've run an enormous amount of buy stops on the upside, and after everybody getting short and very bearish, the recent push got everybody long and bullish. And that was what I thought would be a key to reversing the S&P back down. I just didn't see it today. Now, overall, the volumes are okay, but not all that great. I was on the floor a little while ago. A lot of people were walking out of there. And I suspect just because the markets are so quiet. The financials seem to be okay. The options on interest rates seem to be okay. The Eurodollar options seem to be okay. But over in the meats, it was really, really thin. And then when I walked into the grain room, it looked like a bomb hit that place. But anyways, we're going to keep it like that. The markets are a little weak this morning, but I don't know that it's going to stay that way. We'll leave it like that, and I'll see you on the cash close.